In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $6,521 in commission just in one single month by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Pinterest. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Pinterest that is trending right now if you want to earn some commission, and I will share with you for beginners step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one, how you can use free traffic to promote your affiliate links, how you can create an affiliate link, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new methods that I will share with you for free. And let's get started. As you can see over here, I made this commission in just one single month, in the month of June. From the first day of June until the day 30 of June, I made $6,521. Okay, anyway, this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot. Okay, I can click over here, guys. You have dashboard, marketing tools. I can scroll down. This is my ID, reports, payments, and so on. Okay, so it's not screenshot like other people sharing with you. Anyway, so to start promoting and to start making affiliate commission with affiliate marketing, all you have to do, step number one, go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do next, you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. This is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. It's really profitable because they are paying good commission. Anyway, so all you have to do is just click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. As you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate dashboard account. Okay, so to start promoting affiliate links on Pinterest, we need to create Pinterest account. So we will go to Google and we will search for Pinterest. It's super easy. Search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and make sure to open business account, not personal account. You need to choose Pinterest business account. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest business. Okay, so why we choose Pinterest? Because Pinterest, guys, did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? Do you see 1 billion monthly visitors? That's really a lot of traffic. Millions of people are using Pinterest. Okay, and if you do it correctly, you can get so much traffic from Pinterest. Okay, anyway, after you finish creating your Pinterest business account, you need to know and you need to see what's trending on Pinterest this month. Which services and which products are trending right now in this month. So how we can see which services are trending? All you have to do is you need to go to Google, okay? Search for Pinterest trend, okay? Like this. Click on the first link. You will be directly in this page. So this account will give you what's trending right now in this month on Pinterest. Okay, also you can choose which country you want to target. If you want to target audience from United States, you can choose United States. If you want to target audience from Canada, you can use Canada. So for example, I'm gonna just leave it in United States. I will scroll down And here you go. Those are the top trends in United States this month. Okay, those are the products and services that are trending in United States on Pinterest this month. Okay, so let's see. We have just some products for women, fashion, shopping. Okay, we will scroll down to find more keywords and more trend that are trending in United States. More services are and products. Okay, discover trends in United States. So you have here filters. You can also choose a specific keyword that you want to search for. So growing trend, I'm gonna just leave it top monthly trend. I'm gonna choose growing trends. Okay, then I will scroll down and they will go to interest. Okay, and I will scroll down and you can use which keyword you want to see what's trending, which services are trending, related services or related product that are trending for this keyword. Okay, I'm gonna choose, for example, design. I will just click on design and here you go. Those are the products and services that are trending. So we have here YouTube banner, we have room redesign, the graph. As you can see, the graph of those keywords, it's going really up. Okay, it's going fast. Okay, you can see it's trending. It's just keep going up. Okay, let's choose one. Okay, we have Google logo, we have graphic design, we have brand, text banner. Okay, let's go back to the first and let's choose this one, YouTube banner. I will click on this keyword. Okay, and they will scroll down and they will click over here and they will select past 3 months. Okay, and here you go. You see this? YouTube banner is trending this month in United States. Okay, it's trending. If you scroll down, you can find related trends and you can find here more keyword related to this keyword. Okay, discover banner, YouTube banner idea, YouTube banner. That's really good. So what I will do, I will copy this keyword, YouTube banner. I will go back to my Fiverr homepage and I will click on the search and I will search for this service, YouTube banner, like this. So at least we are promoting services that people are already searching for. Okay, so we are not choosing, you cannot choose any service, any random service and just go and promote it on Pinterest. It doesn't work like that. You need to choose which services and which products are trending. You need to choose which services people are searching for. Okay, so don't just go and choose any services that you like. It doesn't work like that. You will not get any commission like that. Okay, so search for YouTube banner, scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service on Pinterest, on Fiverr. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So let's choose one of those sellers. So let me see, we have really a lot of sellers here who are providing this YouTube banner service. I'm gonna choose, let me see. This one is looking really good. This one also looks good. I will choose this one, level 2 seller, 5 star, a lot of reviews, over 1k reviews. I will click on his service. So just click on his service. Do you see how many people paid for this service? Over 1,000 people. So people are buying those services. So what you will do, you will copy the link of this seller profile page, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here on these 3 lines. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, post back, and if you will click on marketing tools, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, you will be directly in this page over here. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Go to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed, click on create pin, and you need to upload a picture about this service. It's super easy. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, click on his picture. So this is his picture about YouTube thumbnail service. Double click and click on save image, okay, and save this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna name it YouTube banner. Go to Pinterest and upload this picture to your Pinterest account like this, and here you go. So all you have to do is you need to put title and description. Go back to this seller profile page and copy his title. So you are just an affiliate marketer with Fiverr. You can use those information of those sellers because you will help those sellers get more sales, make more money, and you will earn commission. So it's a win-win, okay? Description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You should see over here about this gig. This is his description. Copy this description. Go back to your Pinterest account and put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you have new Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA all plans, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. But for you, if you just created a Fiverr affiliate account, you can just have this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. It's almost the same. Just copy your affiliate link from here. Go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Scroll down, click on choose a board. So if you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. It's for free, it's easy. So I will choose this one, Pinterest. Scroll down, you need to put here keywords. So go back to Pinterest trend and copy those keywords, okay? You should use those keywords that people are using to search for those services, and they are very important. So pay attention and use all those keywords. Go back to Pinterest trend, scroll down, you have here YouTube banner ideas, discover banner, YouTube banner, YouTube banner, YouTube, all those keywords, use all those keywords, okay? And it's super easy, just copy those keywords and put those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link. So this is your service, your picture about your service. This is your affiliate link over here, and that's it. That's how we can promote affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's how we can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. I share with you guys how you can create your affiliate account, how we can use free traffic from Pinterest, how we can find a trending and services that people are searching for on Pinterest, how we can use Pinterest trend, and so much more. That's it. The business model is clear, okay? But you need to stay consistent, you need to work hard, you need to make good content for those services. You need to promote services that people are searching for. Don't promote any services, just any random services, just services that you like, because it doesn't work like that. You need to do a research and see what people will be interested to buy, what people are searching for, which services people are searching for on Pinterest. Also, don't use just United States, okay? You can target, let me show you. You can target Canada audience and so much more. See what's trending on Canada. Let me show you. Because don't keep working just in United States audience. Okay, go to Canada, see what's trending on Canada. Okay, then go again to Italy, Spain, Germany, France. Okay, and so on, Colombia. All those just just target all the audience. Okay, and that's it. Also guys, I'm working on a course. My affiliate marketing course will be done this month, maybe just in 1 week or 2 weeks. I will publish my affiliate marketing course. I have really put a lot of time in this course. I want to make it the best affiliate marketing course ever that you can watch and start taking action and start making money fast. Okay, you can avoid my mistakes that I did, and I will share with you advanced methods that I'm using and so much more. So if you are interested, just you can comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will start making I will start to make this course. I publish it just in the first this maybe just in this week or the next week. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I will say share a lot of new methods. So make sure to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment if you have any question, and see you in my next videos.